Fire alarm safety!
Oh!
Wow! Snow bubbles! So pretty! Oh! Whoa! A giant bubble! I'm gonna catch you! Whoa! Oh? What's this button?
Don't press it! Little mole, this is a fire alarm. You should only press it when there's a fire.
Oh, I got it.
Dobie, let's go.
Bye. Bye. Ouch! Oh, my glasses!
What's going on?
The fire alarm. Let's get everyone out.
Got it!
Stay calm, everyone. Use the emergency exit.
Ow! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Careful.
This way! Danger! Hey! Hey! This way!
This way. Be careful. Get out now. Hey! Hurry!
There's no fire! Sheriff Labrador, there was no fire in the mall. Someone just pressed the fire alarm. Who could it be?
My new hairstyle is ruined!
Ow! I twisted my neck. Ouch! It hurts.
Unbelievable!
Who did that?
It was a big monster.
A monster?
It was really tall and big and all white.
So scary!
Oh.
Don't worry. We'll figure it out.
Oh!
There must be some clues nearby. Let's look closely.
Phew!
Why is there a carrot piece here? Oh, I hear something. Let's check it out.
Monster! Over there! I'm not scared of you!
Hey!
It's just a toy. There's no monster. Phew. Huh? Who's knocking on the door?
Perfect!
Hurry! Ah, that's not a monster. It's a snowman costume.
Why is it running backward?
Help me, please!
What's going on?
Little Mole, what you saw wasn't a monster. It was this snowman.
Huh? Then why did it press the fire alarm?
It's Mr. Lion!
Thank you for saving me.
What exactly happened?
Here you go. Hold it tight.
Thanks!
Oops, my hat fell. No, no, ouch! It's on backwards. I can't see anything. Ouch!
Oh,
Fire! Run!
We found this carrot piece on the fire alarm button. Looks like it's the snowman's nose. So Mr. Lion couldn't see and accidentally hit the alarm.
Ah, so that's what happened.
I'm so sorry. I'll pay for all the damage I caused.
Let's all be careful and use the fire alarm only in an emergency. Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Kids, fire alarms are important safety devices. We should only use them when there's a real fire. If you set it off just for fun, people might think there's a fire and panic. Firefighters will come for nothing and can't help in real emergencies. If you accidentally set off the fire alarm, tell an adult right away. Please remember that.
Woof!